got in touch with the boys when I had my first car. It was an X6M, and I was looking to do some modifications to the car. And they're local, southern side. I live in Bayside, Melbourne, so it worked out perfect. And look, at the end of the day, they offered great service to me, and the price was right. So got in touch, and things grew from there. Look, I've got a good relationship with the guys now. We're sort of, Andrew and Jimmy are really good blokes. They've looked after me in quite a few different things. I've got a few different cars, so quality service, they come back to me straight away. They get me in when I need to get in, so, and it's, you know, they're close, I suppose, but it boils down to quality service. Well, originally, as I said, I think it was more to do with getting some mods done to the car and finding the right people to do it. You know, you can't go to a BMW dealer and get mods done to your car, so what I wanted done was exhaust, tune, springs, some stuff like that, and so the boys came up with a good package. Yeah, that was the reason why initially. But they also now look after my wife's daily driver, so they do servicing and stuff as well, which is great. Well, for me, it was basically, it wasn't just on price, honesty. They were upfront, honest, told me what needed to be done at the time, did what was required rather than doing extra stuff that I may not have wanted for the car. So it boiled down to quality servicemanship, workmanship, etc., and good prices in the end of the day too. So I currently drive an M2, and it's a fantastic little car. I got out of an X6M, which was the one that I initially came to the boys with, but I've also got a BMW 840 Ci, so it's a 1997 car, and I brought it here straight off when I bought it, didn't even see it. They looked after it and built it up from scratch, and it's an amazing thing now. It's actually won quite a few awards.